tell you the story again of money?
Yeah.
When there was no money yet, the peoples on the island trade with things. Do you want me to trade your milk for your coffee? So they don't use money, they exchange. See? I will say, I want to have your chicken, you can have my cat. So they will exchange like that when there was no money yet. Yeah, that's how it is. Until one day, the peoples discover, what did they discover? Gold. They melt the gold to make it into coins. And then it become a golden coin. Yeah, this is a golden coin, a real gold coin. Oh, look. Look. Yeah, they melt the gold, turn it into a coin.
I have coins in my piggy bank.
This one is real gold, made up of gold. You know it's real because when you bite it, it doesn't break. Yeah. Here, some people make it into rings. Yeah?
This is not the ring yet.
But what's the problem with the gold? When you walk around the street, the bandits and thieves come getting at your gold. Yeah, they stop you on the street and come, give me a gold. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. And they get all the gold in the pouch and they always run away with the gold. It's a problem.
And what are they gonna do?
So the peoples realize they have to start a bank. You know what a bank is? A bank is the place. It's really safe. You give the bank your gold, and in return of your gold, they will give you paper that says you have this much gold in the bank. So I carry the paper instead of that gold. So I'll be more safe when I walk on the street. The thieves cannot get my gold. I just have paper saying I have this gold in the bank. So this paper, I go back to the bank. Can I get my gold? And then I get my gold back. It's safe now. You know? That's how money started. Up to this day, people still use money today to exchange. So if you need a chicken, or you need a cat, how much is this cat? Yeah, you have to give me 10,000. 10 of these is one cat. Yeah? Yeah, so you know also you have the exact exchange of value. So what is money?
Value.
Value. What is value? It's either this cat is value or you need chicken for dinner. That's value. Is money the gold or the money paper?
Money is paper and gold.
But it represents value.
Value.
What's more important? The value, the food, the service, the product. That's what you use. The money you cannot eat. It just means you have gold in the bank. And the gold also you cannot eat. Cannot eat it. It's just valuable. People like it. So you can exchange it for dinner. See, I can give you my gold for dinner. Yeah, that's our lesson for today. Understood?
I think
So what if you want to have more money, what will you give more? Give more value, meaning you get more money. Also, you can invent money. How can you invent money? If you grow food. You grow your food.
Want to tell you something?
Oh, let me tell you something.
I think you should ask me this tomorrow.
Ask you tomorrow.